Papa Sammy here. It's that time of the year, people. I'm getting bombarded. Papa, how do you set up a garden? Please make videos. I have a slew of videos on how to do your garden. The first thing I'm going to do, let me start back. 5 or 6 days ago, it was it was 10 degrees wind chill. Next 3 or 4 or 5 days, it rained like crazy. Right now, it's 78 degrees. It's a joke. So now I need to cut the yard, mulch these leaves and the grass you see. When I get all that done, then I head to my garden. Now people, this is how I prep my garden year round. Notice, this right here has been sitting here all year long. You don't see any weeds. You see a little speck there, a little speck over there. 10 seconds, it's gone. The kumquat you see was just too many. I kept giving them away, nobody wanted them, so I just put them in the garden. They'll melt down in there. Now, this particular bed has sat here all winter, but it's got potatoes buried about 8-9 inches deep in it. This is gonna be my potato patch this year. Now this bed right here, been sitting here since last year, last harvest. Nothing in it. Now when I cut and rake this yard, I'll bring that compost to the top of this rail, to the top of it, which is another 3 or 4 inches. Don't hurt a thing. Look at my garden. Everything is down, dead. It's been a rough winter. So what I'll do, that's my ginger. I won't touch that. Except what I will do, like I said, see here? You grab it, you pull it, and you throw it right back in there. Now people, I want you to see the ginger. See? Right there. Notice the compost. Everything I got is heavy compost. I mean everything. Look at it. That's how I prepare. In this, I planted, I think it was 5 cabbage heads. The weather got them. I got 2 left, okay? And this here, good Lord, I don't know how deep that compost goes. Look, see that? That's year after year after year, people, piling these leaves, this grass into those beds. My fig tree, man, she got whipped up on hard, really hard. I don't know. I'm gonna have to cut it back hard. It might make it. I don't know. Other than that, a little bit of grass, but it's all compost, people. That's how I fix my garden. Now over here, when it bared out, this is all onions. That's a wild onion. That's wild onions. That's wild onions. This is regular onions. Now what I'll do, when I come back in, I'll take my weed eater, or I'll pull it up a little bit there. Then I'll fill that back up with compost, all the way up, 2 or 3 inches deep. Compost right now don't do you a lot of good. Ooh, my blueberries are starting to pop out. Go ahead. Right now, the compost you're using now is basically to hold moisture. All right? Once you hold the moisture, it helps the plants and the worms survive. Next year, the compost you're putting in now will be starting to feed the plants. And 2 years from now, they'll really be feeding the plants. I need to pull them old pea bushes out of there. But other than that, that's the way you do your garden. Prep it now. Don't wait. You got to get out there and hoe for 2 hours to kill the grass and all that. Compost it. Kill that grass naturally, and you won't regret it.